We begin with a dataset of MRI brain scans from Kaggle. These images contain vital information and segregated into two subfolders containing brain tumor MRI scans and ones without tumor, but they need processing to be useful for our machine learning model. The first step is pre-processing. We use OpenCV, a powerful computer vision library, to enhance our images. We apply techniques like Gaussian blur for uniformity and noise reduction to clarify the scans. Next comes the crucial feature extraction phase. Canny edge detection then identifies boundaries between tissues, often indicating tumor edges. With our features extracted, we move to the machine learning phase. We use a support vector machine, or SVM, from the scikit-learn library. SVMs are excellent for classification tasks like ours. We split our data into training and testing sets. The SVM learns from the training data, identifying patterns that distinguish tumor-positive scans from tumor-negative ones.